Hey, Jamie.
How's it going?
What are you living in?
A school bus that I bought off of govdeals.com
Okay.
from auction
Nice.
a year ago, and painted it
Yep.
and started working on the inside of it. It's not done.
And what kind of, is it an international?
It's an international motor, and it's a Thomas Vista chassis, the Thomas Vista body.
Nice. Okay, well, let's look inside.
You don't want to go look at the back and see the back first?
We can go look at the back.
Come on, let's go look at the
Okay, we'll go look at the back.
One of the things that's important to me is to not only go to fun places, but do fun things when I get there. And that's where this stuff comes in.
Oh yeah, your two bikes.
So I have a dirt bike that's plated, so it's legal to drive on the roads, and I have a street bike. And I have a workout center.
Yes.
So this is just a motorcycle hitch that I put on and had welded up, and I put a winch on to be able to winch the motorcycle up.
Oh, so both of them fit back here?
No, the street bike goes inside on the lift.
Oh, okay. Oh no, frisbee underneath.
It's not like your yard, like, oh, I'm filling your yard.
You're good, man. Get off my lawn. Okay, so you want to see the inside?
Yeah, let's look inside. Come on, Savannah.
For the sake of the video,
Okay.
I did not clean up before we did this video. This is how it looks.
It's cleaner than yesterday.
Is it?
Or the last time I was in here. You
Probably
couldn't
the last time, yeah, it was pretty trashed. Anyway, so this is about a 24 feet on the inside, about 7.5 feet wide.
That's awesome.
I haven't put a floor in yet, but I have a runner that I bought from Home Depot that's about $13 a foot or something like that. I don't know, the whole thing was under $50. So you get a runner. I'm gonna replace this after this event and start fresh, so I can vacuum the new one. I have a vacuum, which I love.
And that runs off of your power? Nice.
Okay, so let's talk about that. I have a pure sine wave inverter charger hooked up to shore power, so I can plug it in my generator or any outside power source. And when you do that, the AC power passes through. The battery system goes straight to the outlet. So I have several outlets. How do you say it?
Strategically?
Strategically, did I say it right? Goddamn.
Strategically.
Strategically. Just cut that part out.
No, you did good. You said it right.
So I have one here, here, here. I have two here, right here. I have these flat screen TVs are a lot cheaper than they probably look. It probably looks like it's expensive and fancy.
Oh,
but
there's so many of them now. You can get them for like $50 at Walmart.
But the whole thing is the articulating arm. Without a good articulating arm,
Yes.
you know, where you at. So this you can.
Do you have it hooked up to your computer too? So you can.
Yeah. Yeah, I
surf
have
the
an
web?
HDMI cable to be able to watch MP4s and movies.
Nice.
And also I have an air card so I can stream Netflix and YouTube.
Oh, you call it air card, hotspot,
Jetpack.
all the okay.
So I have a refrigerator and a freezer. These are made by Enigmatic with a Danfoss compressor. They could be a refrigerator or a freezer depending on the setting that you put it at.
Nice.
And this way I'm able to, you know, keep perishables a little bit longer, such as chicken and fresh meat and fruit for the blender.
Nice.
I have an ice maker, because if you can have a glass with ice in it out in the middle of nowhere, that's kind of like a magic trick.
Yes.
I have a furnace. Some people like to go with the big buddy heater, little buddy heater, Wave 3 Cadillac heater. But when do you want heat?
At night?
In the morning when you have to pee and you're in bed and it's warm.
Oh, I remember you saying you heat up your toilet.
I heat up my toilet. I pull my porta potty over to the furnace at night, and then I can just reach up, and this is a four-stage digital thermostat. I have this is a cradle that charges my phone, so just by putting it in there, it charges it.
Oh, nice. Did you
Yeah.
lose your phone again?
I didn't realize that I lost my phone until you just said that. But it's okay. It's just a phone.
And the bed, under the bed is the storage?
Storage, I have... Savannah, come here. Here's my phone.
Oh, there it is.
So if I just put it right here, you'll see...
That's probably one of the cooler inventions I've seen. That's so cool.
Savannah, come on, get down. This is Savannah. She's been traveling with me for, well, since 2009. And I have a queen size bed. It's a Denver mattress. And this is all storage. And I have hydraulic spring or gas springs. I'll show you.
You're really excited to show me that last year.
So this is all storage. I have a lot of tools under there.
Is that, will you have to go get any more tools, or is that what you bring to the van build?
That's what I take to the van build. I don't think I'm going to buy that many more tools, but I think that Keith is going to give me a stick welding kit, so I'll have to make room for that. So I'll have a welding kit in addition to the other tools that I already have.
Nice.
This usually gets packed away. I just had it out earlier, so this doesn't just like roll right there. It goes under.
Where do you go on top of your bus with that?
Yeah, I mean, I bought this to be able to do solar panels for people.
Oh, okay.
I can climb up on the lift to get on the roof without getting the ladder out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How much solar do you have up on top?
All right, let's talk about that. I have 680 watts right now.
That's a lot.
Well, I'm going to meet with Zamp Solar on Tuesday, and I think they're going to give me 370 watt panels
Yes.
that I'm going to add to it. But I have redundant systems. I have a driver's side solar system and a passenger side. The passenger side is 4 12-volt 100 amp hour AGMs for a total of 400 amp hours with a Renogy Rover MPPT solar controller. And then this one is a Blue Sky 3000i, and we're looking at I think 480 amps down here with the battery system that I have going. And I'm using this charger here because the charger works a little bit better than the inverter charger.
Nice.
So I've been topping my batteries off, but right now you can see I'm at 13 volts surface charge, and I'm pulling in 10 amps. So when the light goes over, that's 12 amps now.
So the sun's really good.
So the sun's really good, and I have a stereo system because I have music.
Yes. You always have music.
And
you got, did you have disco lights on the outside, or is it just the ones on the inside?
There's some. I have a red, blue, green light strip across the top right here, which is controlled by an app on your phone.
Oh, that's cool.
And then I have this is a box that picks up bass, and so you can set the lights to go with the beat. And here's what the lights look like. But they'll change colors and go with the beat and stuff.
I like that.
Anyway, so it's a work in progress.
Yeah.
I still need to finish a lot of the furniture things about it, but this is where I am about a year in.
Yeah, you're doing really good.
Thank you.
The face plates on the cabinets, is that the real thing the biggest thing that you're doing recently, or are you gonna build out any other part?
This is what I'm doing recently. Is I roughed all this in and stained and polyurethane the clothes racks, and this is a dresser, but I have electronics in here too, and I also house the furnace. So and I put these drawers in. That's what I'm doing right now. And I still need to put the face plates on and make it look finished, but one step at a time.
Are you gonna build anything for your toilet, or do you like having it move around?
I like having it move around. Typically, when I'm camped away from a big crowd, I put it right here. But close to a big crowd, it's better if it's like tucked away.
Yeah.
So, but I really like having a porta potty. Some people use these wood, like cedar chips, and they go to the bathroom in bags and bag it up and stuff. And I've been doing this for 6.5 years, and I really like having a porta potty. Now, it could be a nature's head, it could be composting, that's okay too, but just the ability to have a toilet when you want a toilet, I think is an amenity that's worthwhile. It's worth the
investment.
Well, it's worth the freight of having to empty it and sorting all that stuff out. It's worth it, the hassle. So I really like having that.
Your stove here, is it run off of propane?
Yes, this runs on propane, and so I have a stove top and an oven, so I can, you know, what's life without cinnamon rolls in the morning? Like filling up the inside, those orange icing cinnamon rolls.
Oh yeah? Is that your weakness?
No, right now I will tell you what my weakness is. I'm working on this. These IPAs in the Pacific Northwest.
Yes.
And cookie dough.
Yeah. Cookie dough. So you don't even cook it? You don't bake it? You just eat it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know what they put in there, but I think it's crack.
I think so too. Well, thank you, Jamie. This was a nice little run through of your vehicle.
You're welcome.
Bye.